Anyone that has had thoughts of selling their property recently or want to sell their property or need to sell their property, but they're frozen in fear because they don't know where to get started or how, they don't even know what they don't know. So they're just frozen and they haven't done anything. Hear me out for a minute because this video is for you. I wanted to extend you guys an invitation because I do seller consultations for free, no strings attached, to home sellers that need to move. In our seller consultations, I go over specific details on market conditions, specifically for where your home is located, the amount of days on market that it will take to sell your property, the competition you're going to be facing when you decide to sell your property in the market, and the pricing strategy, also with marketing strategy, which will help us determine how to get the highest possible price for the sale of your home. And finally, and more importantly, the net proceeds you're going to be walking away with once you sell your property and pay off all closing costs and or any mortgages or HELOCs you may have on the property. That way, you'll feel more comfortable on deciding what to do for you and your family, whether you decide to buy something else or rent, and to decide when is a good time to sell for you. So if this is for you, don't hesitate to reach out. Like I said, no strings attached, for free. I'll be more than happy to go out there. We'll do a sit-down conversation, have a seller consultation, and go over all the details for your specific property. But if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.